The video you're about to watch is a preview of one of my online courses in fashion designing available at Fashion Premier Academy. Here's the preview. The shoulder dart. So what you want to do is you want to smooth the muslin until you come to, until your fingers, you can feel the princess line, the princess seam, and you put a little pin and you put a little cross mark. Now I'm using a Sharpie, but you should use a pencil. Always use a sharp pencil. Put a little cross mark right there, and then smooth all this fabric, right? So that, watch this, all this excess fabric nice and smooth. Here's my old cross mark from the princess seam. You're gonna take all this fabric here, smooth it up like this, and then fold this under like that, and you can see how we're creating our first dart, our shoulder dart. And we'll put a little pin right there, and we'll do something similar here. Now here is our side seam. We'll put pins on the side seam. Okay, and now all this excess fabric here will become our dart. How do we do that? Again, we smooth the muslin on the waistline until we come to, again, the princess line or the princess seam, and put a little pin where that is right there, and we'll put a little cross mark, and then all this excess fabric will be folded under to create the dart. So watch this. I'm going to take this fabric, I'm going to crease it here, smooth, and fold it under. Now what happens, notice there's some tension, there's some pulling here. So we want to eliminate that. So we take our scissors and we slash. See all this tension right here? You want to eliminate that. And by slashing to the waistline, see, there's the tension. It's gone, it's nice and smooth and flat. And you might want to do another one right next to it. And maybe even a third one, like that. Any excess fabric below the waist, you can go ahead and trim it off. Trim it away. You don't really need that. Okay, here we go. So now we can mark, since we're here at the waistline, might as well mark using the bottom of the tape. The bottom of the tape is the waistline. We're going to mark our waistline. We're going to mark our side seam. You can feel it with your fingers. You can mark your side seam and the armhole. And we're going to mark our neckline. And where the neckline meets the shoulder, and where the shoulder meets the armhole. And also let's mark our apex. A little cross mark where the apex is right there. So we've marked center front, neckline, shoulder, armhole, side seam, waistline, and we're going to mark where the two fabrics meet. Okay, so that basically you end up with these two cross marks. So we're going to mark where these two fabrics cross over, where they meet, so that if you remove the pins, you will notice you have this markings right here. We can trim the extra fabric here on this side. We don't need all this fabric. We could trim all this away. And there we have it. Okay, in the next class, I'm going to show you how to take all this information, all these cross marks and pencil marks, and transfer them to dotted paper and make a nice clean pattern out of it, okay? See you next class. Thank you for watching this video. Check out all the courses available at Fashion Premier Academy by clicking the link below. And be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so that you will be notified when I post new videos, which is every week. And if you have a specific question for me, please email me at ninovia@me.com. I'll see you in class.